Hi there, welcome back to Inbound Tutorials. I am Aidan and I'm excited to help you understand the advantages of implementing your marketing strategy by utilizing the inbound methodology and buyer's journey. Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel as we increase our viewership with more inbound marketing content for you. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. The inbound methodology is a customer-centric approach to marketing that focuses on attracting and engaging with potential customers through relevant and helpful content, rather than interrupting them with traditional outbound marketing tactics such as cold calls or advertising. The buyer's journey is the process that a potential customer goes through before making a purchase, typically consisting of the stages of awareness, consideration, and decision. The inbound methodology aligns with the buyer's journey by providing helpful and informative content at each stage, helping to guide potential customers through the process of making a purchase decision. The inbound methodology and buyer's journey are important for several reasons. They provide a better user experience for potential customers by providing relevant and helpful content that addresses their needs and pain points. The inbound methodology allows potential customers to find what they are looking for on their own terms, rather than being interrupted with irrelevant or unwanted messages. They help to build trust and establish credibility with potential customers. By providing valuable information and resources at each stage of the buyer's journey, the inbound methodology helps to establish the company as a trustworthy and credible source of information. They can increase conversions and sales. By guiding potential customers through the process of making a purchase decision, the buyer's journey helps to increase the likelihood that they will convert into paying customers. The inbound methodology aligns with the changing digital landscape and the way customers interact with brands. By focusing on attracting and engaging with potential customers through digital channels, it adapts to the rise of digital technologies and the shift toward online purchasing behaviors. It's cost-effective. While traditional outbound marketing methods are becoming less effective, inbound marketing strategies are becoming more cost-effective and efficient ways to generate leads and close more sales. Overall, the inbound methodology and buyer's journey are essential for any business that wants to attract, engage, and retain customers in today's digital landscape. Leveraging the inbound methodology and buyer's journey for lead generation involves several key steps. Define your target audience. Understand who your ideal customer is and what their needs and pain points are. This will help you create relevant and helpful content that addresses their specific issues. Create a content strategy. Develop a content strategy that aligns with the different stages of the buyer's journey. Create content that educates and informs potential customers at the awareness stage, offers solutions and comparisons at the consideration stage, and provides a clear call to action at the decision stage. Optimize your website. Make sure your website is optimized for lead generation by including clear calls to action, forms to capture contact information, and landing pages for specific offers. Use SEO and social media. Use SEO and social media to increase the visibility and reach of your content. Optimize your website and content for search engines and use social media to share and promote your content. Nurture leads. Use email marketing and lead nurturing campaigns to keep in touch with potential customers after they've shown interest in your business. Provide them with additional resources and information that will help them move further down the sales funnel. Measure and analyze. Use web analytics tools to track your lead generation efforts and measure the success of your campaigns. Use the data you collect to make informed decisions about how to optimize your lead generation efforts in the future. By following these steps, you can effectively leverage the inbound methodology and buyer's journey to generate more leads and increase conversions for your business. I hope this video inspires you to develop engaging content and a marketing strategy to help you provide your customers with solutions to solve their problems. I am Aidan with Optimarked Consulting. Like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.